This time, Take makes tonkatsu, a deep-fried pork cutlet. It is juicy and crispy. First, cut the meat strands so that they do not shrink. Pound the meat all over to break the meat fibers further. Pierce the meat with a fork. Sprinkle the meat with Japanese sake. Sprinting sake will remove the smell of the meat and make it more tender. Coat the surface of the meat with oil to seal the flavor. Prepare the beaten egg, flour, and breadcrumbs. Coat the meat with the flour, beaten egg, and breadcrumbs in that order. Prepare the vegetables for the garnish. Shred the cucumber. Shred the cabbage. Julienne the onion. Cut the tomatoes so you can remove the skin. When the oil reaches about 150 to 160 degrees Celsius, start lifting the meat. After about 3 minutes, when it starts to brown, turn the meat and fry it again for a few minutes. Once done, remove the meat from the oil and let it rest for a while. This will ensure that the meat is thoroughly cooked on the inside. From now on, raise the temperature and fry the meat again. The double frying process produces a crispy surface and a juicy interior. The type of meat, the batter, and the oil temperature will all affect the quality of the tonkatsu. Have fun experimenting. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Wow!
Thank you very much for your watching.